In this video, I want to show you exactly the step-by-step method on how you can be able to build out your own lead gen agency or be able to bring in leads for your own company using this exact AI system that not a lot of people know how to do yet. So really, throughout this video, what you're going to learn is being able to learn how to automate all of these personalized outreach messages just by following these simple steps. It's an incredible skill if you follow to the end to be able to understand exactly what other people and other big companies even aren't doing right now. So from here, this is a list that I've run personally in the past. This campaign generated me about $4,000 just from being able to run this cold email outreach strategy. And I'm able to see what the outreach was able to produce. So from here, I can see that campaign for email B and C were able to generate some positive leads with pretty positive, high positive reply rates here. And this wasn't even a personalized campaign. I can show you inside here that, for example, script B is just what if we can add 15 book meetings in your calendar next month, work to B2B startup, generating qualified demos every month, every quarter, and run the entire system. So just very straight and to the point. But what I want to do for this next campaign is make it a little bit more personalized. So I'm going to do is just simply go to the campaign, duplicate campaign, then create. This is also works if you just haven't run a campaign before as well. You could just test out a bunch of different areas and tactics, simply like you would do for any marketing idea. So you can be able to run that here. Something I want to do is make this a little bit more personalized. So I want to be able to incorporate a script that I had in mind where I can say something like this. I wanted to generate, taking it from my notes, an idea that I had the other day was just to personalize. I saw company name helps ICP with service. So what I want to do here is just be able to add this part that was very successful in the last campaign to this below. So how am I going to be able to build this from here? And let's just put this as a subject so we have something specifically down for this. So I want to personalize. I saw a company name helps the ICP with service. So first I'm going to need to take the list that I built out. So I went to Apollo. I created a very specific list based on marketing managers within companies in the US, Canada, and UK for these employee sizes. Then what I did is I copied this URL and was able to put it into Ample Leads to be able to take out the number of leads I want exactly, and then was able to have this specific campaign here. So what I'll do is simply export into a CSV. Once that will come into the CSV, typically what I would want to do is run it through something like Million Verifier, where I can just be able to ensure that these are all sendable email addresses. But just for the purpose of this video, we'll skip that part for now. And I will do marketing manager's campaign inside of Clay and then import from a CSV. So I'm going to take the downloaded document, put it right inside here. And then from this, you're going to be able to see that it just breaks down the entire CSV, just basically puts the same thing inside a Clay table, and you can be able to import it inside of here. So you're able to see the exact columns and rows that are able to come up that you had in the exact CSV, and it will completely load in and just be ready to go. So now you're able to see the entire lead list being able to generate. You could see the rows still loading in here for exactly all of the contacts that we have from that list that we were able to scrape straight from Ample Leads from Apollo. So I have the first name, company website. The first thing I want to do is be able to take any links and domains, change it from text and bring it to URL. This will just help for when we're referencing the columns, as well as you could take their LinkedIn, be able to change them into URLs here. Very important step, especially if you want to be able to create your own personalized messaging from the information that's been gathered here. This will be able to help Clay go into the company websites, the LinkedIn's, and be able to understand the company completely before sending out any kind of outreach. So now that we have this, there's some things you can skip here, obviously Twitter URL and so on and so forth. But I really want to create a prompt that's going to be able to find exactly what I'm looking for. So in here, I really want to be able to use this. I recommend just using something like ChatGPT 4.1 mini. 4.0 mini, you only use one credit. And honestly, this is a little bit less information that's going to scrape on the half credit. And this is just too much. Honestly, if you want to be able to have the most cost-effective way, I recommend using something like this. So we'll go into here and be able to see that we have to create a prompt. So simply what I'll do from here is just go into Claude and just say, I want to create a campaign that personalizes outreach using a Clay prompt. And I'll throw in my idea here. So this is exactly what I want for every introduction message. So I'll say create Clay prompt that studies each company and can generate this response. So the simple answer is just to be able to look up exactly how you want to do it. Typically, what I'd like to do is just take the first thing that it gives me and then just be able to iterate it based on testing. So from here, I'm going to just copy this, go back into Clay, put it in here, you're going to have to be able to just reference the specific tabs that you're looking for. So you can go to company name once you press backslash and then go into website. This is important for why we had it as a link is now it's going to be able to take in the specific links that it has. So then being able to look through here, personalized email opener, I saw company name, helps ICP with service, rules, keep it short, mention it want to be concise. This is taking it from other examples. So I want to be able to keep the ICP short. So be able to have just some specific examples of who they reach out to, can be able to keep that in there, and then be able to now go into JSON and generate the prompt. This is just what I found to be something that gets the responses to be more significant and more related to exactly what you're looking for. And then, as I mentioned before, you're going to want to just run the first 10 rows to see if it's actually going to be what you're looking for. So it's creating the column here, and then you'll be able to see that it's going to have a personalized email opener for each specific part. So let's see here what ends up coming up. So you can see it generated rather quickly for what we're able to find. And it didn't have exactly what I was looking for because I just wanted the specific things of company name, ICP that I can personalize it to. But it honestly came up with a pretty good response here. I saw Inside Global helps B2B companies with lead generation. The website clearly states that they specialize, so it gives even reasoning behind it, and it tells you exactly why it found it from here. So you can see all of these responses are good openers that we're going to want to be able to incorporate in here. So let's say this is the exact thing that we want to go with. We like this here. Let's go to add enrichment, and we're going to want to add it to our smart lead campaign. To be able to do this, you want to make sure you have your API key inside of Clay with smart lead, so you can be able to just add it in. From campaign ID, I'm just going to want to go into B2B marketing and advertising copy. I want their first name in the email, so I'm going to include that as well as anything specific. So for here, let's see if I have everything. Going to want to include these specific signals. So I'm going to go to custom fields, add a custom field, and say intro opener. Then I'm going to want to be able to go into the personalized email opener and then find the sentence that it gives me. So it'll just be under sentence, and I will just save and run these 10 rows to the campaign. Then show me they're just simply added into the campaign. Something's missing an input, so maybe there's no email or it didn't scrape the website. These things that you definitely need for being able to run them. So you can see that most of the contacts were added to the campaign. So just to be able to see what the test looks like, I want to go into here and see if it has the variables that I'm looking for. So from here, we're going to want to test out exactly if it worked here. So we'll go in, we'll see that there's intro opener here, put that here, and then just create the campaign for exactly how we're looking to do it. So hi first name, intro opener, and then go straight into the pitch from there. So let's see exactly what comes up and how we need to change it. So to do that, we're just going to go click on preview and see, hi Brenda, I saw Shopper Local help small business owners with hyper local marketing. What if we can add 15 book meetings on your calendar next month, and it goes into specifics. So here's just a little bit more personalized on a campaign that already worked, and we can be able to test this to see if it's exactly what we're looking for. So this is just a very simple way of being able to do it. Did it here in a pretty quick time, for especially how we can be able to send out thousands of personalized emails just by being able to have these personalized scripts and prompts straight inside of Clay. So this is really just the simplest way to do it. If you want to learn how to have more personalized messaging that can be able to generate consistent pipeline, check out the rest of the videos, subscribe, and check the link below to see how you can learn how to